Hello everybody and welcome back to Flutter Widgets Explained series. In the previous episode we explained basic scrolling. In this episode we will explain the list view. So, what is a list view? A list view is a scrollable list of widgets. It builds items efficiently. It only renders what is visible on the screen. Let's start with the simplest form of it and let's write a list view with children three list tiles, and each one will have as a title a text like item 1, item 2, and item 3. Meanwhile, let's run this. This creates a scrollable vertical list. All items are built immediately. Now let's see. Oh, as you can see, we have our list correctly. Now let's proceed to ListView.builder. For dynamic or large lists, we use the ListView.builder. This builds items lazily. Let's write an example of it by creating a ListView.builder, and inside of it we will say that the count is 100, and as a builder we need to write context to give the context and the index like a function and return a list tile. In this case, that will have a title, a text, item, and the index. Let's run this. As you can see, we have all our items here. The important part with ListView.builder is that the only visible items are the ones that are built, and this improves the performance significantly. The item count tells Flutter how many items exist. This allows correct scrolling behavior and better memory usage. So keep in mind always to provide item count when it's possible. Most of the times here is going to be a list view dot its length and not a straightforward number. Now let's see the list view dot separated, which allows separators between the items. Wait, yeah, it's like this. And in this case, the difference is that we also need a separator builder, which again is a function that takes context and index and returns divider. Let's run this. As you see, we have dividers between our list items. At least you can also scroll horizontally. If, for example, let's and remove the separator. If we say that scroll direction is axis dot horizontal, for example, where is it? Let's get rid of this. Interesting. They are totally teared off. Okay, vertical, at least vertical is here. So, what's the difference between a ListView and single child scroll view? The ListView is optimized for large data and builds lazily. On the other hand, single child scroll view renders everything and is not optimized for large lists. In the next episode, we will explain the grid view. Until next time, see you.